Hi, I'm Stu, and welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. I'm currently working on some audio video tutorials, and I've made some little audio recordings that I've got up here in my other app imported folder. Now, this voice memo was made using Apple EarPods, so the quality is not great, but this particular tutorial is to do with mono versus stereo sound. Because when I captured this audio, if we go into the settings and the audio, you will see the pan is not available on mono audio. Now, if you weren't planning to do anything with the pan, it doesn't really matter. If you were planning to move the sound around, or play with it, and you wanted to have the pan option available to you, all you've got to do is export the audio file. So just tap on Share Export, choose Audio Only, go for iOS Share and AirDrop, choose all the highest quality settings. I'll just change this to a WAV format, but it really doesn't matter, to be honest with you. And then we tap Share. So we'll call this Voice Memo Recording Stereo Convert. Just so that I know to add that in. There we go. Then we tap Share. I've got another app called Audio Share, and this is a great sort of audio file management app that's quite inexpensive that I recommend that you buy. You don't need to have it, but it's nice to have. You'll see we've got our audio in here, and then all you've got to do from there is share it back to LumaFusion. That pops it in there. There's our new version of the file, which we can drag down onto the timeline, and you'll now see in this version you've got the pan controls for left and right, whereas in the mono version only you don't have those controls. And there you go. It's as simple as that. I'll catch you on the next one.
If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials every week, and ring the bell to get notified of when Stu has uploaded a new video tutorial. You have been watching. I am Stu. See you later.